My family managed to book the actual Oriole's bird for my grandmother's birthday. I have no idea how. His van is in the yard. He's gonna come into the house. So let's go see the van. Oh, and Ashley's here. I want her to get the video. You see him? This is great. This is great. Oh, there he is. Come here. He's out of the van. He's out of the van. Hurry. Look, you see him? It's right there. Brett, he's already out. I know.
Girls, do your cheers! Say go Oriole! Go Oriole! Woo! Go Oriole! Go Oriole! Oh my word! Oh, I love you!
Hey, that shot me out of style. Happy birthday to you.
Look how he kisses.
Give him a kiss, my mom. Right on his cheek, give him a kiss.
Look at this. Oh my God.
It's a birdmobile.
Vienna, don't you be all shadow. Picture. I want you in a picture with me in front of the birdmobile. Okay. Because we're a couple of cute chicks. Watch us first step into doozy.
Oh, okay. Whatever you want.
Be careful because it goes down.
Let's have everybody line up with him.
Go ahead.
There's a lot of people.
Oh! Wait a minute. So I can get a picture of that. Yeah, really.
Where
a bird's butt was on my car. There's my mom.
Are you getting this?
Is somebody getting this right now?
I think I can get everybody first.
Oh, yes. There you go.
All right, guys, ready?
Things to do and places to go.
Everybody smile.
Ask a question. I want to ask a question. What does the bird think about the Yankees?
Oh!
That goes for a Red Sox.
A bird in the hand is worth two in the bush.
What?
Thank you.
If your oldest son hears this, he's
She's going up to the
I
bush.
know. Oh well, they're old enough. They can deal with it.
Thank you.
This is a gentleman bird. Thank you, Brooke.
Oh, he even wipes his feet. How polite.
Hi, Paige. Where do they want him running in the living room?
Comfortable.
Whoa. Don't fall in the spaghetti now. Oh, he's ready to eat. Are you hungry?
Oh, he's ready to eat.
We don't have any worms or birdseed, but we got something similar. Does that count? All right. Okay, cool. Mom, how does this make you feel?
Wonderful.
The actual Oriole. Isn't that cool?
I am so thrilled.
Wow.
You don't have to do anything, just say
Just whistle sweet nothings in her ear. Our family goes hard. Hey, Mr. Bird, how do you feel about her sitting on your lap?
This is for her.
Let me get up here.
That is precious.
Oh. Jamie, how is it? Prince Charming, not what you expected, huh?
Hold your thumb out, Dave. Say, you're number one, Dave. Like, hold your kick.
Give a little kissy on the side of the cheek. Give it a little.
Like the birthday. He said, take all the time you want.
Jump on that.
That's adorable.
Jamie, did you give him your number?
Thank you.
Oh, yeah, you can blow it up.
That is so
Take one of his
cute.
pictures, he'll sign it.
He says they're a home run. You like that one? You can use it, okay? All right.
Brad, go ahead and open it.
I'll just write some material for you.
Oh, she's looking for something.
She is looking.
Precious.
I know. I'm looking for something. He doesn't have that.
Awesome. Good job, guys.
Good, you got it. Thank you very much.
He's good at that.
So how long do you have to go to bird school? I want to know.
Long time.
A year?
Oh, constantly. Woo!
Wow.
It's a long time.
It's a long time.
Thank you.
Everybody give the bird a round of applause.
You made her 21st wonderful.
It was the 21st. 86 years old. 86.
Brett, does anyone know how this even happens?
Yeah.
Like, how does our family book the actual Oriole?
We're awesome, that's
This is Brett's man cave. Nice and cool down here, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So Brett, just see if you want to ask him to promise feet up on your ottoman.
Yeah, that's funny.
Yep.
Just a couple of bros.
Perfect.
Everyday thing.
Just hanging out, you know.
There's no game on right now.
MC Metal.
And it's a homer. Here we go. And it's a
Oh, it's a
homer.
metal bird. I like him even more now.
Yeah.
Because otherwise, we'll go. Not on the phone with it.
I'm sorry.
Getting yelled at. So happy birthday, Brett.
You're welcome. He'll be back here in July.